Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Palantir stock fell 2.77% on Tuesday. After rising for several consecutive days, the stock has seen its largest single-day drop since September 3rd. Although the current price is still near the 5-day moving average, the stock seems to have bottomed out and the situation may be worse. The stock traded as high as 450 million shares on September 20th, but the stock price has not risen much since then. The stock closed even lower than the closing price on September 20th after the closing on September 24th, which makes me wonder if a lot of capital has already exited the market. The data shows that the daily capital flow of the stock from September 18th to 20th was a net outflow, especially the net outflow of $50 million on September 20th, which does not seem to be a lot, but it may still be a signal of a large amount of capital exiting the market. The stock's daily net capital inflow from September 23rd to 24th exceeded $29 million, but the stock price fell. The stock's decline on September 24th directly gave up the gains of the previous day, indicating that the stock price was not willing to rise on that day. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock rebounded strongly after falling to $35.90 in the morning trading on September 20th, but it generated a huge trading volume at the last moment of the closing. The stock price continued to rise the next day, and everything seemed normal. However, the stock price immediately fell sharply after the market opened on September 24th, and then the stock price began to rebound at $36.40. But there was another order sell-off in the closing, which caused the stock price to lose nearly 3% at the close of the day. Although the stock had a clear stock price rebound in the trading session on September 24th, and the capital flow on that day was a net inflow, the poor performance of the stock price on that day seemed to indicate that the market did not have a strong desire to rise. Therefore, there is reason to doubt whether a large amount of capital has withdrawn from the market again in the last 2 trading days, and whether the capital flow of the stock in the last 2 days is also in the opposite direction. After the stock closed on September 20th, the positions below the closing price of the day moved up a lot. Although there may be deviations in the data, it at least shows that since the position profit rate of the stock has reached 98%, it is very likely that capital has sold a lot at the position of $37, otherwise the trading volume of the stock on September 20th would not be so high. If so, the stock may have lost the momentum for continued rise, and it is only a matter of time before it falls. I am currently severely bearish on the stock. If the long capital that has driven the stock's rise has completed the high cashing out, then the stock price will inevitably adjust downward. For the target price, I think the support position below the current price of the stock may be very weak, and the position of $35.90 may be ruthlessly broken, so we may need to focus on the area of $33.50 to $34.60. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for Palantir stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks in the future. See you in the next video.